Hi, Blue Group. This is Blue Sort 12 for this week. You have three different patterns. They are all suffixes. If you remember, a suffix comes at the end of the word and it changes the meaning of the word. Your three suffixes are FUL, full, OUS, and IOUS. You do have one oddball, so you need four colors. We're going to go ahead and get started with the suffix full. Go ahead and grab your first color. And something to note or look at is that the suffix is FUL, but when I'm thinking of the word full, it's FULL. So when you add it on a suffix, it's only one L, so just be careful. Our first one is delightful, which means full of delight. Successful, someone who's successful is full of success. Wasteful, someone or something that's wasteful is full of waste. Wonderful, full of wonder. Shameful, full of shame. I mean, like you're embarrassed about something. Cheerful, full of cheer. Beautiful. Careful with this word. This is a hard one. Oops. Full of beauty is what it means. This is a hard one. It has an E-A-U all together, three vowels in a row. That's kind of a strange thing. And the last one down here is boastful. If you're full of boasting, that means you like brag. You're bragging a lot. All right, let's switch colors. And let's go to OUS. Again, it means full of, just a different way of putting it. So if something is dangerous, it's full of danger. If something is poisonous, it has poison or full of poison. If something is humorous, full of humor. Humor makes you laugh, funny. Let's see. Mountainous, full of mountains. Famous, full of fame. Vigorous, full of vigor. Vigor means like you have high energy. Nervous, full of nerves. Marvelous, full of marvel. Scandalous, full of scandal. Scandal would be something like something went wrong. And I think that is it for OUS. I did forget, so go back to your last color. I forgot stressful, full of stress. Sorry. All right, last color. Go ahead and switch colors. Let's do IOUS. We have envious, full of envy. That means you're jealous. Studious, full of studying. Rebellious, full of rebellion, which means you're going against someone. Glorious, full of glory. And we now have furious, full of fury. Fury means anger. Okay, I said you had one oddball. Let's go ahead and switch. That's outrageous. Outrageous ends with an EOUS. You had OUS in purple, IOUS in blue, and now outrageous has an EOUS, full of outrage, kind of like shocked. All right, Blue Group, go ahead and take a picture of your list and make sure you study.